Good day everyone. Today we will discuss kinematics, which is the branch of physics that study the motion of object without considering the force that caused the motion. One application of kinematics is projectile motion, where an object moves in a curved path because of gravity. In our example, we will solve a real-life situation involving Lira tossing a bottle of Coke to Dessa.
Nagugutom na ako. Magluto ka nga. Hindi na magluto ka na dun ah. Oo na. Ano ka nalutuin mo? Ah. Ma'am, Dessa, bilisan mo. Hindi tayo lutuan na. Oo. Kain na mga pangit.
Lira and Dessa are in the living room with their friends. Lira is sitting on the floor while Dessa is sitting on the couch. Lira tosses a bottle of Coke to Dessa at a 60-degree angle with an initial speed of 5 meters per second. The bottle leaves Lira's hand 0.5 meters above the floor, and Dessa catches it 1.0 meter above the floor. Find the maximum height, travel time, and the horizontal distance of the bottle. The given values are initial velocity 5 meters per second, the angle of projection 60 degrees, the initial height 0.5 meters, the final height 1.0 meters, the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second squared. Step 1. Solve for the horizontal and vertical velocity. Horizontal velocity. The formula is v sub x is equal to v sub I times the cosine of theta. Then substitute the values. V sub x equals 5 times the cosine of 60 degrees. The cosine of 60 degrees is 0.5. Therefore, the horizontal velocity is 2.50 meter per second. Vertical velocity. The formula is v sub y is equal to v sub I times the sine of theta. Then substitute the value. V sub I equals 5 times the sine of 60 degrees. The sine of 60 degrees is 0.866. Therefore, the vertical velocity is 4.33 meter per second. Part A, maximum height. The formula is h is equal to v sub y squared divided by 2 times the gravity. Then substitute the given value. It will be 4.33 squared divided by 2 times 9.8. 4.33 squared is 18.75 and 2 times 9.8 is 19.6. So the maximum height of Lira's hand is 0.96 meter. Since the bottle starts at 0.5 meter, we add the 0.5. Therefore, the maximum height above the floor is 1.46 meter. Part 2, travel time. The formula is y sub f equals y sub I plus v sub y times t minus 1/2 g times t squared. Substitute the given values into the equation, then rearrange it. Move all the terms to one side to another to form a quadratic equation. After simplifying it, the equation becomes 4.33 plus or minus 2.99 divided by 9.8. First, we use the plus sign. 7.32 meter per second divided by 9.8 meter per second squared equals 0.75 seconds. Next, we use the negative sign. 1.34 meter per second divided by 9.8 meter per second squared equals 0.14 seconds. The first answer, 0.14 seconds, is when the bottle is moving upward. The second answer, 0.75 seconds, is when the bottle is coming down and reaches Dessa. Since the problem asks when Dessa catches the bottle, we use 0.75 seconds as the travel time. Part C, horizontal distance. The formula is r is equals to v sub x times t. Then substitute the given values. Multiply the horizontal velocity by the travel time. 2.50 times 0.75. Therefore, the bottle traveled 1.88 meter horizontally. To conclude, we found that the bottle traveled the maximum height of 1.46 meter, stayed in the air for 0.75 seconds, and traveled 1.88 meters horizontally before Dessa catch it.